There are many automotive trolley jack products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best trolley jacks from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Trolley T90413 Big Red. Rating 4.4. Hydraulic bottle jack designed for residential and commercial use. Wide, rugged base enhances stability and strength. Meets ASME safety standards. Engineered using a drop-forged alloyed steel construction with reinforced stress points for added durability. Inner-outer welded structure delivers leak-free performance. Serrated, heat-treated saddle provides a generous lifting area and a secure grip. Includes a plastic blow mold carrying case for easy storage. Number 4. Big Red. Rating 4.5. Includes 1 2.5-ton trolley jack, 1 jack handle, and 1 plastic blow mold case. 5,000 pounds lifting capacity, 5.5 to 14.1/8 lifting range. Safety bypass feature prevents overloading. Features 360 degrees rotating saddle and rear swivel casters for easy maneuvering and positioning. Number 3. Yellow Jacket. Rating 5.0. Constructed with durable heavy-duty steel, providing strength and durability to increase service life. Yellow paint is not easy to come off or crack. Single pump is designed to reach the height you want in less time. Using Yellow Jacket trolley floor jack to help you with your immediate needs. Equipped with 2 steel front casters, 2 360-degree rear casters, and a long detachable handle, so that the jack can move freely and fixed in a certain position to work. Number 2. 2-ton floor jack. Rating 5.0. The sturdy industrial pump allows it to bear a weight of 3 ton, 6,000 pounds, and is widely used for general or heavy industrial purposes, such as automobiles, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, harvesters, etc. 2-ton floor jack has 4 sturdy steel pulleys at the bottom, and the front 2 can easily rotate 360 degrees. High-lift floor jack is very labor-saving, convenient, flexible, stable, safe, and stable to operate, helping you quickly move the high-lift floor jack. Rubber cushion on the saddle can protect the safety of the truck floor jack, prevent it from being scratched by the machine, and reduce wear and tear during the working process. Number 1. Autofather Heavy Duty. Rating 5.0. 2-ton hydraulic trolley floor jack, fit for most car, van, caravan, and other vehicles. Lifting range from 5 to 3/10 to 12 3/5. Fits under almost all cars. Long piece handle to reduce operator effort, and fast lift foot pedal. Gives rapid initial lift to vehicle chassis. Heavy gauge construction for maximum strength and durability. Suitable for roadside or workshop use. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.